everyone, welcome to Joss Moses Kitchen. Today I am preparing a very simple recipe. Everybody knows it's Indian gooseberry or Nellikka. So it's pickling, very easy to pickle the things. So that's the first recipe I'm showing. But I'm making a rice with very few ingredients you have at home. Easy to make. A Nellikka choru or a Indian gooseberry rice. Make sure you see the whole video and don't miss out to subscribe my channel Joss Moses Kitchen. Let's come to my kitchen. Let's pickle the Indian gooseberry, the Nellikka. Take a clay pot like this, add salt, add water, add the gooseberry. Let it soak on the salted water for some time. Take another pot like this, add salt, add water, add the chili. Let it soak on the salted water for some time. Let's dry each gooseberries. Using a fork, do like this. So it will absorb all the salt. Using a knife, you can slit like this also. Let's dry the chilies. Let's cut the chili into two. Place a pot like this and turn it on. Let it boil. The water is very hot now. Gooseberry to the hot water. It's boiling now. Turn off the heat and let it cool down. Let's boil some water. Let's slice the ginger. Let's crush the ginger. Let's get a bottle like this. Add salt. Add the chilies. Add the ginger. Gooseberry is cold now. Add the gooseberry to the bottle. Add the water. Let's add the vinegar. Let's cover. And give a nice shake. chop the ginger fine. Select the green chilies. Slice the Indian gooseberry, the pickled one, to fine slices. Let's make the rice, the Indian gooseberry, the Nellikka Rice. Place a pot like this on a medium heat. Add ginger oil, add mustard seed, urd dal, add chana dal, add cumin seeds, add peanuts, add crushed dry red chilies, and stir over. Golden now. Add the green chilies, add ginger, add curry leaves, and mix well. Escort it up. The spices are cooked now. Add the Indian gooseberry. Little bit of the brine and combine well. Turn off the heat. Here I am making the rice with the red boiled rice. You can use basmati or any kind of rice you like, because red boiled rice is always there at home, and the pickled, the brain gooseberry is always at home. So just few ingredients, quick to make, just 5 minutes, the rice is ready, and the most tastiest thing. Add the red boiled rice, add the black sesame seed, add salt, just enough. Combine well. With the Indian gooseberry Nellikka is ready now. Now you are thinking why I am carrying a tiffin box. This rice is very good for a tiffin box. That's why I am keeping on the same way with papad. That will be another amazing touch to the dish. So let's try it. We will eat with the hand, traditional way. Little bit spicy from the red chilies, but still it's so good because of the gooseberry. Because the tartness from the gooseberry makes it lighter, and the peanut make this dish into a next level. It goes nicely with papad, a crispy touch. So when you eat, how you eat? Enjoy and eat. How? Enjoy. Don't miss out to subscribe my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. you then with a new recipe from Joss Moses. Bye.